around the year since I've had this dragon tree. As you didn't know, I showed you some earlier pictures of my dragon tree. And I showed you that the dragon tree was a certain height and that it was growing beautifully and that it bloomed. And so now that it's gotten so tall and it's so big and tall, but I just wanted to show you how it's blooming at this tall height. Just beautiful flowers, beautiful visual flowers. And the top one bloomed. Last couple of years, the bottom was blooming, but at this particular time, the top bloomed so beautifully. And I just wanted you to take a look at this. Look how beautiful this is. God's beautiful creation. You see how tall it's gotten? It's so huge over the years. God has blessed me with my beautifully tall, beautiful dragon tree. Bye, beautiful souls.